students. Today I am going to explain how to take a free online course from the various website, especially in the Udemy website. Now I am going to explain how to get a free coupon. That is, if you take a free coupon means you will get a free course. That is, you will get a free certificate and also. Now listen step by step. I will explain the how to take a free course from the Udemy and also various website. First step number one, you go for Google. You type website name is real dot discount. You will get on website real dot discount. You click that website. When it is loaded, it shows some number of websites. That is here showing some trending courses and latest courses, latest articles and the available platforms. If you want to take any specific platform means you click that platform, you will get the related courses and also the programming languages. If you want to study any free course on the this specific language means you click on that language, you will see related courses available. And I am going to take this most enroll in the right most top corner. We have the option new courses and expiring soon, few remaining, most enroll. So these are all the courses. If you want to, if you click any one of these, you can get the course. I'm clicking most enroll courses. Here it is loaded. So these are all the most enrolled courses. The first one is Java tutorial for complete beginners. It is 16 hours course. Your amount is 0.00. That is, it is totally free. When come to second one, Python, it is 24 hours course, but it has some cost. But if you have money, you can take this one. If you don't have money, you take the free course. Here we have a lot of courses available. So if you have money, you can buy it and get it. But now with this video especially for how to take a free course. Now I am going to take this Java tutorial for complete reference. This amount is $0, 16 hours course. Here we have the different courses with the different timings. Here we have also the 1 hour, 2 hour courses also available. If you want to take that course under, you have to search and you can get it. If you want to take some other course with more time also, you can take it. If you take this is web designing, web developers, only 3 hours. If you take this 3 hours means daily you can take 1 hour, or within a single day you can take 3 hours. Just you listen 3 hours means you will finally will get the certificate. So if you want to take more, if you want to get more certificate means you better take this 3 hours, 2 hours course, because daily if you take 2 hours means daily you will get one certificate. So in the end of the month you will get 30 certificates. Now for this one, now I am going to take this one 16 hours, and for to take this class I will just click on that course. Click on that course, it will be loaded. It will load it to the next step. Here you listen, it's showing that get coupon $0.00. So when you click on that get coupon, you just click on that logo get coupon. Again it will load out to the Udemy website, because this course is offered by Udemy website. In real discount website you will see many free courses from different websites. Not only the Udemy, you can have the Google and Coursera. So different websites free courses are listed in the real discount. Now I choose on the Udemy website, Udemy free website. Once you will come to this step, you have to check whether they will provide a certificate or not. Before go to register this course, we have to check here the free course and paid course. Here the mentioned free course means you will see only the online video content, only it is on tick mark. Certificate of completion is here. What happened, it is no, there is no providing the certificate. If you want to know only, if you want study the technique, means you will take this course. If you don't, if you need also the certificate, means you have to pay it and get it. So this course you don't want, because this course not providing the certificate of completion for free. So this one I don't want. So again I go back, I am going to choose some other course, some other free course with certificate. That's an important. Here we have one more free course, that is Android developer. If you want, you can take it. And then here one more course, C++ tutorial for complete beginners. And shall I try this one, web design? When I click on this course, it will go to the next step. Here you click on the get coupon. This course also from Udemy. Then we will check here whether they are providing a certificate of completion. Here also they won't provide the certificate completion. So again I come back, and I am going to search for some other course. If you want, you can just enter the keyboard and can search the course related to the keyboard. I'm just entering here Linux based courses. Here they are given some courses Linux based. Here you can see the Linux for beginners, basic Linux from the scratch. Just a 2 hours course. Dollar amount is 0. So this is a free course. Just I click on that course, it will go to the next step. There you can see whether they are providing you just click on the get coupon on it. On the next step you can see whether they are providing the certificate or not. Here we see the information. Description, networking, test. Here they showed that in the final, this course includes the final step, they provide the certificate of completion. So now what it means, they are provide the certificate. So then you now click the go to course. If you click the go to course, it will go to the Udemy website. If you are not already signed up, it automatically go to that account. If you are not already, you don't have account in the Udemy, it will ask the account. You have to create the account. Once if you create the account, it will automatically log in. Then it will show that course videos. So here they are given the syllabus, everything and all, course content. If you click the course content, you will see the number of sessions you are going to study. These 16 sessions, if you attend this 16 session, finally you will come to this session overview. Here we have the option overview. After you complete this all these videos, it is you go to the overview and see in the bottom you will get that here the option is Udemy certificate. When you click it, it will show whether you want to download in the form of JPG or PDF. Download, here last option is download. It will ask in JPG and PDF. If you just click on that, you will get certificate will download here. So I already completed this course. so I get the certificate. So like this we'll get free course certificates. If you take 2 hours 3 hours and all, you will get, after completing the 2 hours 3 hours, you will get certificate. If you take 10 hours 12 hours, means after completing the 10 hours 12 hours, you will get a certificate. Before going to take a session, you have to check whether they will provide the certificate or not, because if you get a certificate means you will show to the you can use it for at the time of interview and all. If you just want to know only the technical, means you can take the technical knowledge. Otherwise you just check it with whether they have the certificate option and all. So this is a format. So this method you have to apply and get more certificate, and don't waste your time. Thank you.